She is. Got the light in place. I got to get a 15 millimeter so I could tighten it down all the way. Like get a good wrench on it. But wired, zip tight in place. When I get back with the 15 mil, I'll snip this too. Oh wait, snip it right now. Dude, white bullshit. That's not the right angle. So that's my new extra reverse light. Alter, alternative? Auxiliary? Auxiliary. I don't know. An adaptive. It's an adaptive extra, whatever. It's an extra reverse light because I back into my parking spots, bro. I don't want to run anybody over. I don't want to make sure everybody knows that I'm backing up and I don't stop for idiots that don't get out of the way for vehicles. So, time to get up. Time to get up. All right, so I guess that's it. That was the install of my lights. Pretty much done. So, peace out. I'll make another video or another clip when the lights are on or when it's darker outside and they're back up so you can see. So, rock on. Bye.